experiencing problems with your T-Mobile hotspot? Let's address the common causes and fixes. First, ensure your device is compatible with T-Mobile's network bands, especially LTE bands 1271 for rural areas. Check your access point name (APN) settings. The standard APN is fast.tmobile.com with no username or password. Make sure your device's software is up to date to avoid bugs. Try restarting your device, toggling airplane mode, or resetting network settings to clear any cached data. Monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected throttling after exceeding your high-speed data allotment. If speeds are slow, switch to 5G only mode if available. Also, test your speeds using speedtest.net or the Ookla app. Aim for over 100 Mbps on 5G when not throttled. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for diagnostics. T-Mobile's Hotspot service operates under specific policies that affect speed and performance. The deprioritization policy kicks in after using 50 gigabytes of high-speed data on Magenta plans. During this time, speeds can drop to 2G-like levels around 128 kph, especially between 7 p.m. and 1 a.m. when network congestion is highest. Additionally, native phone data is prioritized over tethered hotspot connections, which can further impact hotspot speeds. T-Mobile is actively investing in network improvements and implementing AI-driven diagnostics to enhance hotspot reliability and reduce outages. Looking ahead, future trends include increased demand for reliable hotspots driven by remote work, tighter deprioritization to manage network loads, and potential integration with satellite services to improve coverage in dead zones. To optimize your hotspot experience, stay informed about these policy changes. If issues persist, consider escalating them to the FCC for further assistance.